Zero trust is a key to not falling victims to the next big vulnerability. Today we will discuss about the strategy to stop Log4j and its variant. So let's roll out the intro at first. The Apache Log4j vulnerability, now called as Log4Shell, took security team by surprise and the internet by storm. A logging tool has been used by the hackers to take control of the vulnerable applications. Apache has rated this vulnerability as critical and has published a patch in an attempt to contain the potential damage. Log4Shell has also received the top CVSS scores of 10. This means that the vulnerability is critical flaw in a piece of code used as the foundation of a vast number of web applications and is considered extremely widespread and dangerous. The exploit work by relying on the being nature of logs. Logs are typically not used as attack vectors, which this is why this attack took so many security organizations by surprise. So in this case, the log4shell vulnerability is contained with a lookup plugin, which provide a way for Java apps to retrieve objects stored in a DNS or LDAP directory. The plugin allows the ability to do something more proactive than just log, and therein lies the key to the problem, and gives the attacker the ability to exploit a logging tool in order to hack an app. The JNDI lookup plugin is containing the log4shell vulnerability, and in general, the queries for the plugin inputs should include just the object name when a URL is inserted instead of the object name. However, for example, this log4j will connect to the JNDI on the specific server and update the Java objects. So this enables remote code execution, or called RCE, on the logging server. And the nature of the logging tools means that the exploit opportunities for the hackers are endless. And you can also say, like, cloud application security always has been a challenge. Not only do the numbers of cloud applications continues to grow, the application themselves involves and uses changes over the time. Yet we expect these applications to remain secure as they grow, and for our security team to be able to keep up. So herein lies the problem. As DevOps team are innovating faster than ever, it's critical to ensure that applications remain protected as they continue to develop. To protect against this attack and wants to come, organization must stay preemptive and adjust their cloud application security strategy to ensure it's not only scale with the cloud adoption, but prevent the zero-day attack as well. So here are the few ways to make this happen. Tip number one: build automation into your cloud security processes. So as a rule of the thumb, if your cloud tools aren't automated, then they won't keep up with your developers team, and this include cloud security tools as well. So without automation, they won't be able to stay ahead, preempt the next attack, and find bad actors. So it's important to ensure that as the applications evolve, the new part are protected as fast as possible. Tip number two: remove as much human interaction as possible. And you can say remove as much as human intervention as possible. So while human oversight is important to interpret that and look at macro trend, it's important for human administrator to monitor and evaluate all the microservices and code running with the cloud application. So as shown by the log4j exploit, human administrator is liability in application security as team scramble to patch security system. Modern technologies provide us with the opportunity to leverage machine learning and artificial intelligence, which can keep security relevant as the application evolves faster than we could ever previously have imagined. So it is time to maximize the opportunity. Tip 3: take a zero trust approach to security. So with zero day attack like a Log4j exploit, it's important that your team adopt a zero trust approach to prevent attack rather than response and remediate. So use security that provide prevent in order to eliminate the need for your security team to go back and patch potential vulnerabilities after they have been discovered. Tip number 4, assume nothing. So when your DevOps teams are building or improving applications, make sure that all the infrastructures as code and any other third party code are all compliant with your organization's security policy and are protected in some way. Log4j is great example of how innovative hackers are. So the cloud has been organized opportunities for the innovation and success, but it's critical to remain that bad actors are leveraging the same advantage of speed and scale in the cloud. The Log4j exploit proves this. While it's true that organization could monitor continuously and alert where necessary, this represents remediations which is never as effective as prevention and preventing measures, which is why AI is crucial component when attempting to remain secure in today's threat landscape. So to remain ahead of these criminals, organization must ensure that they are leveraging hands-off automated zero trust security across their entire cloud environment and throughout their applications lifecycle. So I hope this video is helpful for you and for your organization. Let's stay tuned and see you in the next video. Have a great time of the day.